That's
All
a...
girls can do it. Oh, look who's in there, huh?
Hello in there.
Oh, are you dirty? What a dirty little baby we have.
Hey, are you two having fun in there?
Yes.
Joey?
Yes.
It's good in there, isn't it?
She's trying to get out.
There she goes. There she goes.
I'm putting it down for her. I don't like it when she was sitting on my leg.
Well, at least she's little. What is that?
Just dirt. There you go.
It's like swallowing her up.